The doggy don't like me.
Vete con tu owner.
Yeah, he does.
You want one orange for you? Okay. I'll try to fix this one right here.
What is wrong with you? Yeah, see, you want it. Here. Shut up.
You want an orange? I'll go get one.
Nah.
No, you should.
I've drank enough. I'll take some more of those paper towels, though. You got more?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Paper towels.
Oh, yeah, do you like it, that one?
Yeah, they're good. They're good paper towels.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that I just said I bought some the other day, but those things got to run out. At least yours will last longer.
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna do? You gonna weld it?
No. I thought I put it level. This one.
It's bent.
Yeah, it's bent.
It's bent because it broke here.
Uh-huh.
I hate. First off, it's made of plastic. It's crap. Anything I own made of plastic, I threw all away. Yesterday, I ordered a brand new heater.
That one is free?
I bought a brand new heater, and the legs, the whole thing's made of metal. I should have showed it to you. It's in my garage. The whole thing's made of metal, except what? The legs. It came, and the legs were broke. Plastic, brand new, like from Amazon. So I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna make some out of aluminum.
Metal?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut a piece. Or right now I glued it back together. But
yesterday put a lot of waste in the top. No recording.
Yeah.